I mean, like, I don't know how you feel about that, which is very interesting to hear. But if you don't have money, and I'm a man, and I take you to the grocery store so that y'all get a refrigerator. Her refrigerator was so empty, you heard the generator when it opened. Like when she opened it, it was like, yeah. After I left, you couldn't hear that. You could feel that the food had something to talk to in there, the old food.
The baking soda box?
And when she made that boy plate first, I just felt that was disrespectful.
That's funny as all hell.
You're not supposed to make your kids play first. You're always supposed to make the man in the house play first. For all you women who don't know that.
Now, were you in a relationship with her or just
No,
like...
hell no.
All right.
Hell.
So maybe that's why she said, okay, let me get my son.
Yeah,
We ain't in no relationship,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
Your son ain't coming with the dick and money. Your son is something that you kept because the doctor told you if you kill another one, your health in jeopardy.
But it's not like he wasn't gonna get his plate.
Right.
No. I don't want that little boy to be looking at me eating before I'm eating.
Wow.
He's winning.
Oh.
Your child cannot win in front of me.